So, hello, my name is Steffen Glade from GMA Garnet here in Europe. I'm here on the tech day of VertiDrive in the Netherlands, in Rotterdam. We had a fantastic, fruitful day, spending a couple of hours here in the location of VertiDrive, having live demonstrations of different technologies, of abrasives, of equipment for the abrasive blasting industry, and I had so much fun on it. Many good people. We at GMA Europe, we enjoy the discussions with people from the industry, a good exchange about news, stories, projects, and we had everything here today at VertiDrive. So thank you so much for the invitation. Thanks for the opportunity to present GMA Garnet and abrasives. I think the combination of VertiDrive and Garnet is the perfect mixture for the future. Proper equipment requires proper abrasive. If you have low equipment, then you don't need a proper abrasive, and the other way around. So thank you again for the very, very good day here in Rotterdam, and see you next time.